Hello, all my crafty friends. This is Steph from Hofkissed, and I'm shooting the Kids Club video for September 15th, 2018. Michaela can't join me today, unfortunately. She's not feeling well. Her throat is bothering her, so she won't be able to do a lot of talking or anything, but she's really sad that she can't help me to show you this kit, but she does help me to put the stuff together and come up with the ideas. So if you're not familiar, we started releasing Kids Club kits here from our studio in Guelph, Ontario. And for $5 per kit, we release them on the 1st and the 15th of every month, and every kit is something a little bit different. So you know that I really love to craft, and of course my kids also love to craft because they've grown up crafting with me. And now we just thought that this was fun. I used to do kids classes here in my studio in Guelph, but life is busy and not everybody is always able to attend. So we came up with the idea to release the kits. So this is the video that is for the September 15th, 2018 kit. And this time around it's going to be a little card kit. So for $5 you get a card kit. I'm just gonna dump all this out here to make 3 cards, and you get all of these pieces here. So I'm just going to quickly show you. You get 3 card bases, 1, 2, 3, and then you get a bunch of embossed. So embossing is like a raised texture. So if you feel this paper, you can feel that it's bumpy. So Michaela and I had embossed all of these papers for you. So you get 8, 4 that have happy birthday on them, and 4 that have little cupcakes on them. You get 3 different colors of ribbon, so blue, yellow, and green. You get some little dimensionals, so they add dimension to the project. So they're double-sided. You peel them off and put them on the back of something to pop them up. And you also get some glue dots, also double-sided. So you peel off the little dots, stick them on what you want to glue down, and peel off the back. Now, if you don't want to use the glue dots, you can use a glue stick. Now, I'm not providing a glue stick in the kit, but you might have one at home, or you can pick one up at the store. But you don't need it if you want to use the glue dots. Okay, and then you get a whole bunch of pieces here. So I cut all of these out for you. I quite enjoy fussy cutting, so I cut out some presents. You get some balloons here. You get a couple of cakes. You get, let's see, this little fox. I like this fox because you can make him hold this little banner here, and you can write happy birthday or somebody's name. So you're making birthday cards for your friends or your family members. It's fun. You get these 2 little guys here. You get 3 of this little girl, but what I like about this one is if you flip it over, you have a different pattern on the side. So if you don't want to use the girl, you can flip it over and you can use the birthday cakes and stuff. And then you get this fun image here. So I'm not really going to show you step by step how to create the cards, because I want you to create your own design. So using all of the pieces in here, you can do whatever you want. So it can be as simple as just gluing this guy on the front of your card. Or you can use one of these pieces here, and I have cut them perfectly so that they fit onto your card base here. So you can cut those out, and then you can add, you know, a little girl on the front. You can pop her up. Or you can cut out the birthday or the happy, and you can add that to the card. Don't feel like you have to use this whole card. You can, or this whole piece. You can cut it apart if you want. Let's see. You can also, so I said you can use the girl, or you can flip it over and glue that down. And let's see. Maybe you want to add the fox here and add a little banner and write the person's name on there or happy birthday if you want to do that. And don't forget the inside of the card too. I like decorating the inside, so maybe that would be a good place to glue a birthday cake down, or you can glue a couple of the balloons down on the side. You can really do whatever you want and just get creative. So I love to be crafty, and my kids love to be crafty. So I want you to get crafty too and make up your own projects. So you can have the card this way, or you can also do it this way, and maybe you want to glue a couple of these guys down on the front of your card. Now, the other thing you can do is, if you can't do it yourself, you can do it with an adult. There is a score line down here in the middle. So if you take your scissors and cut that in half, you would have two different pieces. And then you can just glue that to the front of your card. You wouldn't have a card that opens anymore, but you would have a card like this, and then you can flip it over and you can write your message on the back. And still lots of room to glue all your pieces on there if you want. So that's all that I'm going to show you today. Really, the imagination is what's important here. Oh, the ribbon. I'm going to show you the ribbon. I gave you lots of ribbon here. So you'd probably cut it apart. You get this big length of ribbon, but you can use it to tie around your card. You know, if you put it inside your card and maybe you need the help of an adult, and you just tie it on, you know, in a little bow or something. Let's see if I can do a bow here quick on camera. You know, you tie a little bow on there, so you get a lot of extra, so you can cut that off. And it's a very messy bow. You'd probably do a better job, but you can just add your ribbon there, and then you can go ahead and glue some other pieces on there too. So anyway, that's what the ribbon's for, or you can do a whole nother project with the ribbon. That's totally up to you. So that is the Kids Club kit this month for September 15th, 2018. To order yours, you can message me right here on Facebook. You can send me an email, hofkissed@gmail.com. I have very limited quantities of this one this month, so as always, it's first come, first serve. And if you like this crafty video, give me a thumbs up, and have a crafty day. All right, take care. Bye.